let's take a look at how to install PDF Annotator. So you're going to go to pdfannotator.com and then you are going to download. Now this is only for people who have a Windows machine. It does not work on a Chromebook. It does not work on a Mac. So we can download the trial and then we'll be able to unlock it later if we need. We have the full version for our school. So then once it's downloaded, you'll open up the download and you're going to say, yes, I want you to make changes to my device. And then I've got it installed already, so it's going to give me different messages. And so you'll just install it as it goes. And from there, if we need to unlock it further, you can contact tech and we'll be sure and take care of it. And that's all there is to it.